Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Life. Today I have a new camera for you. This is a Xiaomi Mi Home Security Camera 1080p magnetic mount. So it has a magnetic mount. So let's see the camera. It has a magnetic mount as I said before, and it has the motion detection. It can record audio as well as a two-way talkback feature, and its recording is H.265, which is good, and it records 1080p HD recordings, and the view angle is 170 degrees, which is quite good. It's like panoramic view, and it has the night vision settings, and the most important thing is it is water resistant of IP65, so it can be used outdoors. And coming to some of the details, the disappointing point is the microSD card supported is up to only 32 GB, but since it's a H.265 recording, maybe you can record maybe around a week of video. I'm not sure. And others are as I said before, it's a newly released, and the date of manufacture is March 2020. And I also got these two microSD cards from the seller. One is a 32 GB and one is 64 GB. The irony is this camera is supposed to support only 32 GB, so I don't know why they are selling 64 GB microSD cards with this camera. So let's find out whether it can support more than 32 GB. So let's connect to my Mi Home app and check the features of the camera as well as how much memory it can support. So it comes with the easy setup guide, which is in Chinese, so it's not useful. We are supposed to scan a QR code from the camera to the mobile phone. Okay, so it comes with the user manual as usual in Chinese, and there is nothing much we can see in here. So the camera is very small, so I did not expect this, but it is quite small. So it comes with a USB brick of 1 amps, I guess, and it comes with the micro USB cable, and this is the magnetic mount. It comes like this, which is quite interesting. It has the magnetic base, which has a adhesive here, which you can mount on your wall, and then you can put this camera, and it is quite a strong magnet that is available here. And I think you should put this in the base of your camera like this, and you can put this camera in any angle you want, and with the mounted to the magnetic base. And this is a piece of metal, and this magnet, I will say that this is very strong. It's good. This is the metal base that comes with the camera, and I can see that this is a rubberized port for avoiding water leakage. I think water seeping into this cable, and I think it's quite good. As you can see, it is very nicely sealed when you plug it in, so it is quite good. So let's connect the camera to the Mi Home app and see what can be done. Let's power it up first. For now, I'll connect it to my USB power bank. Let's put the 32 GB micro SD card for now. This micro SD compartment and the reset button has the rubber seal, which is quite good for sealing water off. The micro SD card is installed, so let's try to connect it. Okay, now this is my Mi Home app, and go to add. You can also find the device in the Mi Home app. This should be in the Chinese server because this product is released only in China. So the device is here, the Mi Home Security Camera 1080p magnetic mount. You can also use this, or you can directly, as you can see, it has found it. So let's try to connect it. So this is to be connected to this Wi-Fi router. Okay, now then we can scan it like this. So it has already scanned successfully. Now we should be waiting for the next instruction. Okay, now it's done. Yes, now it is connected. You can select a room, and we can name the device. So it is now connected, as you can see. I think it has come up with a firmware update 4050086. We can update that later. And let's check out the functions right now. So it has the surveillance. So it also has the home security surveillance. You can turn it on. It's similar to the previous ones, and you can have 24 hours notification. If you go to playback, you can see the recordings. That's it. It doesn't have much other functions, I guess. Surveillance assistance, camera settings. So it has so many other settings here. Night vision settings, so it can switch automatically and so on. Image settings, so it has the lens distortion correction and watermark, and you can also rotate the image. And it also has time-lapse photography, so that's quite good. This is a new function. It has the time-lapse photography. Maybe I'll do that for you and show you to you later. And manage storage, as you can see, it has the 32 GB card. So for now, what I'll do is I will install the 64 GB one, and let's see whether it can detect the 64 GB memory card. So other things are not very different. The only thing you should be worried about is whether your Wi-Fi is only 5 gigahertz, because it supports only 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And if you have that, you can connect. And your mobile phone, the one you are going to connect to, should be on the same Wi-Fi network. That is the only main thing for connection errors. Let's turn off the camera and check whether we can use the 64 gigabytes micro SD card. Now the 64 gigabytes micro SD card is installed. Let's turn it on again and see. Okay, now let's check the memory status. Go to manage storage. It has a SD card error, so let's try to format it and see whether it can actually detect the 64 GB memory card. So now it's formatting. I don't think it can support the 64 GB memory card. I like this camera, but the problem is if I want to use it outdoors, it should be able to be mounted permanently, but since it doesn't come with any mount that can be used for permanent mounting, and it uses only the magnetic base, even if the magnet is quite strong, I don't know, I don't feel it to be secure to be mounted permanently outside. Somebody may take it, or I don't know what will happen. I don't know why they have done like that, but they have advertised it as a outdoor security camera. But I think with the 170-degree panoramic view, it's quite good. There are so many other features like the time-lapse feature and so on. Another advantage is the price. The price is only around 17 US dollars, which is very good for this kind of features. I will show you the daytime video and the nighttime video, as well as the time-lapse function of this camera. This is the recording during the daytime with a 24-hour recording feature. And this is with the motion detection recording feature. It'll record only during motion is detected. As you can see, there are motion in the frame, and you can also select the auto framing option like this one. It will frame the motions. It is found in the camera setting. This is a nighttime 24-hour recording feature, and this is the motion detection recording feature during nighttime. And this is a daytime hyperlapse. It can record 1 hour, 2 hour, or 3 hours of hyperlapse. I think you can capture some sunrise or sunset and so on. And this is a nighttime hyperlapse. So this was the review of the camera. I like the video quality and the audio quality of the device, and it is IP65 water resistant, so it's quite good if you want to use it somewhere outside. And this connection seems to be weatherproof. It's quite good. So this was the review, and I hope you like it. Please consider subscribing. I'll see you next time. Thank you.